Hi, I'm Roberta, owner of the Fat Finch, an online store for bird lovers at fatfinch.com. I'm doing a series of videos about good hummingbird feeders. There's so many choices out there on the market, and I'm going to tell you which ones I think are the best. And today I'm going to tell you about the Schrodt ruby faceted hummingbird feeder. It's absolutely one of my favorites. As you can see, I have it in my own yard, and it's the only feeder I have up actually. The hummingbirds really love it. And you can see it's a beautiful red glass bottle with a base. And so when you are filling it, which obviously you're going to be turning this thing upside down, I'm going to tell you about a couple of things that'll make it easier for you to use. The base is a two-part base. It has a copper top and this plastic bottom. And you really want to get this cleaned out every time you fill your feeder because they'll get mold in these grooves. So you want to make sure when you put it back together, seat this plastic bottom into the groove and then hold it like this with your fingers there, your thumb there, and hold it tight. And then screw the bottle onto the base. Don't screw the base onto the bottle because it'll shift and then you'll get it leaking and it won't sit right. So it'll be like this. Flip it over, hang it up. The other thing that is tricky, a little bit tricky about this feeder is cleaning it because it has a narrow opening. There are some brushes that get in it more easily than others. This is one I got at IKEA. It is kind of a softish brush, but it also cleans out the mold. And I've discovered that if you use hot water on this, it'll make it a little bit more pliable and you can get in there and clean it. These spongy brushes also work well. They don't last very long, maybe a season or two, but they are effective at getting down in there and cleaning it out. I also use a toothbrush to clean out that base. And here's a different kind of brush, a little bit more stiff, but that can sometimes get in there. So you have to kind of play with your brushes to see what works best. So hang this one up and enjoy the birds. Thanks for watching, and visit me at fatfinch.com.